Chairman, I've been agonizing with the issue of the affordable housing that we are pushing as one of the agenda items in this country. And the last time I checked, Chairman, I noticed that it is not an issue of concern for Kenyans. The first issue of concern is, number one, is high cost of living. Then we have unemployment. Then we have overtaxation, followed by high cost of education and high cost of medication. Chairman, a house is a private good. It is not the responsibility of government to give her citizens private goods, but it is the responsibility of the government to do or to provide public goods such as roads, clean environment, and to encourage the consumption of merit goods like education and health. And therefore, Chairman, if we say that we want to take now close to over 300 billion in the affordable housing, in the name of eradicating slums, don't you think, Chairman, that we are going to promote more slums in urban centers, because there will be rural-urban migration, people thinking that houses are being given in urban centers for free, and by the time they come and they want to settle in urban centers, they will be settling somewhere and creating more slums. Then, Chairman, don't you think that we should invest in things like proper roads, or even construct an electric train that can move from here to Kisumu in 30 minutes? Then the people in Kisumu will be working in Nairobi and going back in the evening in 30 minutes. Or if you come from Garissa or Kiambu now, you'll be going for 2 minutes only if you use an electric train. So that we can save this money, and even if we have the mentality of providing jobs, we can provide jobs as we construct these roads. So, Chairman, I'm really agonizing with this issue of the affordable housing, because the president is spending so much energy and time in it, and it might not create so much value, no value addition. So I therefore think that we should give the affordable housing 0 shillings.
Thank you very much, Honorable Babu Owino. I'm sure the chairman will respond, and because I'm also one of the ambassadors of affordable housing, I will also try to help in giving you a response.